Paste it.
Looks so easy, but it's I think that's hard though.
Yeah, go. Convert. Ah, no. Wait for, change the format type. Yeah, change the format type, the second one. Yes, very good. And then change it into video formats, MP4. Yes. And then try to convert it. Yeah, very good. Now download the video. Click download. Yeah, try to press it again. To download. And then, X the, yes. Download again. Now, Timmy, go to the